No, oh my god, I'm gonna be late. I have to go, I have to run. Oh no, 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 what am I gonna do? Oh my gosh, the time. Let's go. Pick up the pace, Linnea. Let's go. You're gonna run. Okay, ready, set, go. Guys, I'm not ready for finals. Teach me everything.
So Linnea, what do you need to learn?
Literally everything.
Well, luckily our test scores have improved this quarter, so I think we'll be fine. I can teach you the stuff you need to know.
Could you actually help me with MS Within? I still don't get it. I know we talked about it before.
Oh yeah, sure. So we actually had a question like that on the test, so we can go over that question and just let me know whether or not you get it.
Okay.
So the first step is to just find the mean of each individual group. So for this one, the mean is equals 5 because 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 3 is 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then the mean for this one is 4. And the mean for this one is 3. And then after this, you find the grand total mean of these three means. So then the grand total mean would be x grand total equals 4. And then before we go any further, I personally like to, this will help you, I like to do find the n and the k, because we'll need that for later on. So then the n equals 9, and then k equals 3. So 9 because there's 9 numbers here, and 3 because there are 3 categories: AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. So to find the SS within, we'll go group by group. For the first one, you subtract the mean by the individual numbers, and you square that. So for this first group, it would be 5, because the first number is 5. Then you subtract it by 5, which is, can you see me? The grand total mean, and then you square that, and then you just keep going for the rest of the numbers. So for the next one, it'd be 7 minus 5 squared. And the last one would be 3 minus the mean, which is 5 squared again. So then you go over for the next slide once again. So it would be 4. It would be 5 minus 4 squared plus 6 minus 4 squared plus 1 minus 4 squared. And then for the last one, it would be 3, because we have a 3 here, minus the mean squared plus 6 minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 3 squared. Then we get the answer for all of these. So this would be 5 minus 5 squared is 0, plus 7 minus 5 is 2 squared is 4, plus 3 minus 5 is negative 2 squared is 4. So the total here would be 8. And then 5 minus 4 squared is 1, 6 minus 4 squared is 4, 1 minus 4 squared is 9. And this would be 14. And then this would be 0. 6 minus 3 is 3 squared is 9. And then this is also 9. This would equal 18. Then you add these up. So this equals 40. And this is our SS within. So here we have the formula here to find the MS within. It's SS within divided by degrees of freedom within. So to find degrees of freedom within, we do n minus k, which we have our n and our k, so it'd be 9 minus 3 equals 6. So now we just plug into the formula. So we have our SS within, which is 40, divided by our DF within, which is 6, and that equals 6.666. And that's how you find the SS within.
So I do have another question. If I was given a test question where there was 3 categories and I had to use a multiple comparison test, which test would I use?
I actually know this one. According to my notes, the best test to use is the Fisher least significant difference test. But, by the way, most importantly, F has to be significant for this test.
Why is it smarter to do a 1 two-way ANOVA instead of 2 one-way ANOVAs? Can you explain why there's like so much of a difference?
Well, let me consult my notes. It makes a difference because we can see if there's an interaction effect. And this is important because then that affects the interpretation of the data.
Okay, great.
So do you feel better about the final now?
Well, I guess so. Thanks, guys.
You didn't sound too sure about that. Did you write down any notes this quarter?
Actually, I did. And they're the best notes ever. Well, so the F-test is actually really simple. It's just an equation. It's ESS over K all over the USS divided by N minus K minus 1. We're actually given most of the information in the problem, and we have N equals 9 because that's or 19, that's the number of people, and K is the number of categories. So once we plug that all in, we get 1800 divided by 2 all over 3200 divided by 19 minus 2 minus 1. All of that ends up equaling 4.5. What we do after that is we look at the degrees of freedom for each one and we consult our F table. And we get our critical value of 3.6337. That means we reject the null. Oh, did you guys get that?
Yeah. That was from like first quarter and we're almost ending the third quarter.
Well, I can always take Professor Shire again.